With Teamwork.com, you can automate your work for faster, smoother processes. You can automatically perform specific actions when certain changes to tasks occur. So let's dig in to see how you can incorporate them into your day-to-day work to save time and focus on what really matters. Within Teamwork, you can set up and manage automations at the project level. You can start by selecting a project, then click Automate in the top navigation bar. This will open the Automation Center where you can create a custom automation or choose from a pre-built template. In the When section, choose an option from the Trigger dropdown that will prompt the task change to occur. For this example, let's create an automation that notifies our designer Alex once a task ends up in his design column. Select the trigger for board column changes, then choose the Design Board column. This will ensure Alex gets notified and assigned to the task every time. You can also add conditions that further specify your trigger's criteria. Here, we'll add a condition based on priority since Alex only needs to be assigned if the priority is medium or high. In the Then section, select an option from the Action dropdown that represents the action you want to automatically take place once the trigger event occurs. Then use any fields to flesh out the action even more. Now that your automation is all set up, click Create to see it go live. You've created a new automation that can be seen from the Manage Automations tab, allowing you to edit or delete it as well as manage its active status. Let's hop back into the project to see how the automation plays out in real time. We'll change the task's board column so that it's going to be assigned to Alex. As you can see, the task has a priority of medium or above, which means it's now going to be assigned to the proper person, just like we set up in the Automations Builder. For even more context into your automations, check out the Usage tab, which shows the total number of times all actions have been performed each month. Depending on your plan, you'll see your specific automation limit here, which will reset at the start of each month. And if you want more actions per month, you can always upgrade your plan to get even more time-saving benefits. And there you have it. Have any questions about automations? We're here to help. Check out our automations help docs or reach out to the support team by emailing support@teamwork.com.